Awesome! I don't have to rerun everything, I just have to mount the new camera because I guess each dash cam is a little different. And this one here, see, oh, I'm sorry, this is the old camera that's actually attached to it right now. And as you see, that little metal roller thing is to the right, the bike tire is to the left. If we get out of the car and looked, it's actually the opposite of the case, because remember, if this is on that side of the car, on the mirror, like it is over there, but in real life it's actually on the opposite side, which is super confusing when I've been driving and I look and there's somebody in the left lane, but they're actually in the right lane. See, bike tires on the opposite side. So, what I'm going to do is actually, I was just playing with this here. If I just disconnect the camera, so the yellow part, give me 1 second to do this, requires 2 hands. And as you can see, it's now disconnected. See, there are pins in this one here, and they get plugged into the pins in here. And of course, the little triangle part on here goes into the gap. You have to rotate it so it goes in the correct way. So you just take the new backup camera here. I'm going to take this and plug it into here. Rotate it. Pop it on. So, with this camera being mounted, so this bracket is at the top, kind of like on this one here. So if it's mounted like that, and I lower this, and I have to go shut off Spotify again. Let me zoom in. So if it's like this, as you can see now, the stuff that's actually to my right, like the bike tire, was on the other side before, on the left side. Now it's on the right side. So I'm standing to the left side of the car, and I'm on the left side of the rear view mirror. So that's all it is. I just need to swap these cameras. So basically unmount this one here that's currently on there, replace it with this one, and then connect it. So let's try that. So the old hardware was totally shot. So when I replaced this here, one thing I had to do were there were screws on the back of here that connect the camera to the bracket. I had to actually swap it around. And now it's facing the right way. It's in there. Unfortunately, this here isn't really adjustable unless you bend the metal. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but you just kind of push the rest of the cable up into the car, and now everything faces the right way, and that works. So